So, hello everyone, I'm Angela, and today I'll share some top-notch strategies for acing multiple choice questions in the listening comprehension of the Fachhochschulreife or whatever other exam that you are taking. Now, multiple choice questions can be actually tricky, but with the right strategies, you will succeed in them. Let's gonna have a look at them. Well, the first tip is very obvious and is to read the questions and the options first of all. Before listening to the audio, read the questions and the answer choices, and of course, highlight or underline the keywords. This is going to give you an idea what to listen for, and you'll know exactly what to look for in the audios. For example, if the question is, what is the main reason for the policy change, with options A, economic growth, B, environmental concerns, C, public demand, or D, technological advancements, you know that you have to underline some of these keywords and to look for them during the listening time. So the second step here is not a tip, it's the second logical step, is of course to keep your ears peeled for those crucial keywords that echo these options. They are just signposts to the right choice. For example, if you hear, the main reason for the policy change is due to people worrying more and more about climate change, then, of course, environmental concerns is going to be the keyword matching the answer B. Now, the next strategy is, of course, to eliminate the wrong answers. You've got here an example of a multiple choice question exercise, and if you are not sure about which ones are the right ones, then first of all, cross out the no-goes. Eliminate obviously incorrect answers to increase your chances of selecting the right one. For instance, if the question was, what was the main issue discussed in the meeting, and you hear nothing about technological advancements, then you can exclude option D. The next tip is again a very logical and obvious one, and it's the double check. During the second time of the listening, you review your answers and ensure you haven't missed any crucial information. You will also use this opportunity, this second listening time, to focus on details that you might have overlooked initially. And again, remember, the second listening is not for us to take a break, it's for confirming our first choices and to look out for the ones that we missed the first time. Next tip is, once again, to keep your cool. If you are feeling nervous, once again, breathe deeply and don't you worry, you've got this, and a clear mind will actually help you to spot the right answers during the listening exercise. The next one is not going to come as a surprise either, and is to practice with purpose. So sharpen your skills with the practice test, focus on the rhythm of the questions and how the answers typically unfold. The next tip, we have already mentioned that in previous videos, is to trust your instincts. Sometimes your first instincts are the right ones. So if an answer just jumps out at you, go for it. Probably you're right. So with these tips, I'm very sure that you will be picking out the right answers like a pro. Remember, stay calm, stay sharp, and trust the process. You have already seen before that the book, my book here, has all these training exercises, also of course including multiple choice answers and the short answers and the matching exercises. So I really hope that you enjoyed that. If you have any comments or any questions or anything at all, please drop them in the comment section below. And I hope to see you soon in the next video. Have a lovely evening. Bye.